Ready. So we're on to week 4 for January. So the first phrase is, my uncle helped me.
Nuk anchas tin shiska.
Did you say nukwant ashash ti and shikasha? Shiksha.
Nuk anchas tin shiska.
Nukwant tanashash ti and shiksha. Shika. I'll practice it later.
Okay. you put that tiny shash in there?
Yeah. No, don't do
Nuk
that.
anchas
Nukwantash
tin shiska.
ti and shishka. Okay. The chief. How about number 2? The chief is mad at me.
Waklil minchas ti kukpia.
Did you say what klil minchash ti kukbia? Kukstum. And then number 3, the uncle of you folks helped us.
Nuk antumuslas ti shiskalapa.
Did you say nukwantumulshash ti shishkalapa? Thank you. And then how about Archie is afraid of us?
Wapako min tumuslas kus Archie.
Did you say what pakul min tumulshash kush Archie? Thank you. And then how about number 5? Mary's looking for you.
Wahuilan chihas kus Mary.
Did you say what quilam tishash kush Mary? Thank you. How about his mother is gossiping about you?
Wamawanitas. Wait a minute.
No rush.
Wamawan chihas tis kikda.
Perfect. Did you say Shkikasha? Did you say what mawan chihash ti shkikaza ha sha?
Wamawan chihas tis kikda.
What mawan chihash ti shkikza ha sha? Skiksa sha. Thank you. And then number 7, Harry is looking for you folks.
Wahuilan tamalapas kus Harry.
Okay. What huilam tamalapash kush Harry? Thank you. And then how about did my uncle help you folks?
Nuk antamalapas ha tin shiska.
Perfect. Did you say nukwantamalapash hati in shkika?
Tin shiska.
In shishka.
I got it mixed
No
up.
worries. Kukstum. Thank you. And then for our practice, would you be able to say number 1 3 times?
Nuk anchas tin shiska. Nuk anchas tin shiska. Nuk anchas tin shiska. Waklil minchas ti kukpia. Waklil minchas ti kukpia. Waklil minchas ti kukpia. Nuk antumuslas ti shiskalapa. Nuk antumuslas ti shiskalapa. Nuk antumuslas ti shiskalapa. Wapako min tumuslas kus Archie. Wapako tumuslas kus Archie. Wapako
Yep.
Wapako min tumuslas kus Archie. Wahuilan chas kus Mary. Wahuilan chihas kus Mary. Wahuilan chihas kus Mary. Wahuilan chihas kus Mary. Wamawan chihas tiskikda sa. Wamawan chihas tiskikda sa. Wa mawan tihas tiskiksa. Wa huilin tamalapas kushari. Huilin tamalapas kushari. Huilin tamalapas kushari. Nuk an tamalapas ha kushiska. Nuk an tamalapas ha tinsiska. Nuk an tamalapas ha tinsiska.
Perfect. Thank you. All done.